Hey, so we bought the new Galaxy S10 Plus. So our next videos will be shot exclusively on this phone. Let's see how it goes. Thank you, sir. Hey guys, welcome back to Travel and Fun. This is Deepak here, and today I'm pretty much excited about something. You know what? We got a new phone. It's the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Pretty much excited about this phone, and let's just jump right into it. Let's unbox this phone and see what Samsung given us inside this box, mystery box. See you. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus retail box. We bought it from a retail store here, and pretty standard packaging here. You can see the price mentioned here is 79,000, but you can get it at 73,900. That's also the price that you get it online. So you can see the contents that's inside the box. They show that you have the mobile phone, you have the travel adapter, a data cable, ejection pin, stereo headset, AKG, and USB connector, one case, and a user manual. So you can see the year of manufacture is March 2019. So pretty standard boxing. Let's open it up, guys. So yeah. Ooh. So there's our phone, the Galaxy S10 Plus. Oh, I cannot wait to, take it out. So let's just take it out. Oh, that is so sleek, guys. Amazing. And this is the prism white color that I bought. I normally like black, but this time I thought I'll go with white, so that black, you get the cases black and everything, so there's no color difference. So if my mood is for a white one, I'll simply remove the case and use it. So this is the phone. So let's keep it aside and let's see what's inside the box. So the cover, I can see something in here. Let's check it out what it is. So okay, here you have the ejection pin, so pretty much to remove the SIM card and stuff. And let's just open it up. Okay. So here we have the standard user manuals from Samsung, quick start guide, regional log guide, and the warranty card, something that is very important. Okay, so you can see since I bought the phone from India, the warranty is valid only for India. I might not like that. Well, okay, this is the case that we get from Samsung. So here my phone snaps right inside. I'll just try to snap it in. Yeah, fits perfectly. Good. Let's go inside this box. Yeah. A travel adapter from Samsung. Prism white phone and all white accessories. Good, Samsung. And the travel adapter is, you can see it's a fast adapter. The output is 9 volt at 1.67 amps or 5 volts at 2 amps. So that's fast charging. It's good with Samsung that they provide the fast charging travel adapter along with the phone, unlike Apple. You have to pay separately for the fast charger. Okay, let's go forward. Here you have the OTG. That's nice, pretty cool. All white in color again. What's there inside? USB cable, pretty good length. The final thing to come out will be the AKG earphones and So the AKG headphones here from Samsung, again white, the standard AKG headphones, they're quite good, I know them. And some more earplugs from Samsung. Good stuff inside the box. So that's the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, guys. This is the 128 GB version. I'll be very soon coming up with this review video of the same. I will share all the technical specifications of this phone right on that video. So do subscribe to Travel and Fun, and stay tuned to know more about this amazing phone from Samsung. So till then, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.